What's up, streamers? So you just bought a new condenser microphone, but when you record yourself or when you go to your stream to check how is it going, you can only hear it on your left side, either from your headphones or from your speakers. So worry not, there's nothing wrong with your microphone. I just bought my new audio-technica AT2020 to plug into my Focusrite Solo, and I also had this issue, so I just looked into it and there is a very simple fix that I'm gonna show you guys. So just a brief explanation on what's going on for those non-audio nerds like me. What happens is that if you're using a preamp like Focusrite Scarlett Solo, it has two inputs, one for the microphone and one for a guitar, for example. So in a very superficial explanation, what is actually happening is that it takes the input 1, which is the XLR in most cases, and it outputs to the left, which is the first channel. And it takes input 2 and it outputs to the right, to the second channel. So here's what you gotta do on OBS Studio. Alright, so I have a fresh installed OBS Studio here. You can see that I only have one scene, but if you take a closer look into the audio mixer, you may notice that only the levels for the channel 1 move to the left and to the right. So to fix that, tap into that cog icon, go to Advanced Audio Properties, and make sure you tap into that mono for your microphone. And boom, there you go. Now you can see both levels are working, left to the right. You should be all good. If you use Streamlabs OBS, you have pretty much the same option, but the cog button should be the one on the top right corner of the audio mixer and not the one of the microphone. So make sure you tap into this one, see open advanced audio settings, and you pretty much do the same. Check that box for down mix to mono on your microphone, and there you go, you should be all good now. So if you're able to fix your issue, please hit that like button, subscribe for future tips, and happy streaming.